Welcome back to the STEM Key, where STEM becomes simple, clear, and fun. Have you ever wondered how we measure the distance all the way around an object, like a book, a garden, or even the walls of a room? It's not just a straight line, but the complete boundary that surrounds the shape. That's exactly what we call the perimeter. In mathematics, perimeter means the total distance around the boundary of a shape. So basically, if you walk all the way around something and measure it, that is the perimeter. Let's take a simple example, a notebook. If I trace around the edges like this, I am measuring its perimeter. This works for any shape, rectangles, squares, or even irregular shapes. Now let's focus on a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. To find the perimeter, we add all 4 sides together. But there is a shortcut formula, where the perimeter of a rectangle equals to the twice of its length plus width. The formula is shown below as follows. Let's solve an example. Length equals 5 centimeters, width equals 3 centimeters. First, we add them. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then multiply by 2. So, 2 times 8 equals 16. Therefore, the perimeter is 16 centimeters. Now let's focus on perimeter of a square. As we all know, all the 4 sides of a square are equal in length. Therefore, to calculate the perimeter of the square, we multiply its length by 4 as a short formula. Let's move to a worked example. The length of a side of the square is 5 centimeters. Since all the sides are equal in a square, we multiply 5 centimeters by 4 to obtain its perimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeters. We use perimeter in real life every day. For example, when building fences around a garden, or measuring the border of a sports field, even decorating the edges of a room. So remember, perimeter is the distance around a shape. And for rectangles, we use the formula P equals 2 times length plus width. And for squares, we use the formula P equals 4 times length. If you can walk around it, you can measure its perimeter. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with STEM Key. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more excited videos.